Hi everyone, in our today's class we discuss about formative assessment sheet for lesson 5 and summative assessment sheet for unit 4. Question number 1. What terms are defined? Number 1. Dash is a unit of measurement used to measure the distance that light takes to travel in 1 year from one star to another, light year. Dash depends on the moon cycle and phases, lunar year. Dash is the most famous star in space, Polaris. Number 4. Dash is the period of time Earth takes to complete its round around the Sun, solar year. Exercise number 2. Write true or false, correct the false statement. Number 1. The distance between Earth and the Moon is 12.7 light minutes. False. It is 1.29 light minutes. Number 2. A lunar year is determined by the movement of the Sun. False. It is not determined. Number 3. The solar year is equal to 355 days. False. 365 days. Number 4. The rotation of Earth around the Sun determines the seasons. True. Number 5. Stars take their light from the Sun. False. They are self-luminous. 6. Stars helps people in navigation and show them directions. True. Summative assessment sheet from lesson 1 till up to lesson 5. Exercise 1. State whether the following describe weather or climate. Number 1. The countries near the equator are always hot. Climate. Number 2. Although we are in summer, it's still windy tomorrow. Weather. Number 3. Saudi Arabia is a hot country. Climate. Number 4. You should wait to check the dash to know what to wear. Weather. Exercise number 2. What kind of climate do the following locations have? Number 1. Luxembourg. Moist continental climate. Number 2. North Pole. Polar climate. Number 3. The Sahara Desert. Dry climate. Number 4. Syria. Mediterranean climate. Exercise number 3. Who am I? What is my nationality? Number 1. I am a professor and physicist. I was the first to build a rocket. Robert H. Goddard. He was an American. Number 2. I am a mathematician and physicist who discovered the law of gravity. I used a curved mirror instead of a lens to gather light. Isaac Newton. He was an Englishman. Number 3. The first scientist to assemble a real telescope and introduce the world to astronomy. Galileo Galilei. He was an Italian. Number 4. He was first to assemble the first telescope, although he wasn't responsible for making an actual one. Hans Lippershey. He was from Holland. Exercise 4. Fill in the blanks. Earth's surface is a gaseous mixture called atmosphere. It is made up of layers. The ionosphere is considered to have two layers, the thermosphere and mesosphere. The ultraviolet radiation causes your skin to tan. Oxygen can be obtained by breathing. Exercise 5. Answer the following question. What is the distance between Earth and the Sun? 8 light minutes. Question number 2. What is the difference between a moon and a star? State 2. Moon takes light from the sun, while stars are self-luminous bodies. Stars don't revolve around other planets. Stars look smaller than the moon, but they aren't. Exercise number 3. What is the difference between a lunar year and a solar year? State 2. Solar year is the period of time that Earth takes to complete a full round around the sun, and it is equals to 365 days. Lunar year is determined by the moon's cycle and phases, and it is equal to 354 or 355 days. Thank you.